Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you friends? I hope you're all fine and good. I'm back again with very beautiful, very stylish and traditional Arabic Mehndi design ideas for front and side. Guys, in this video you will see beautiful and amazing ideas of Arabic Mehndi. So hope you love all the designs, all the ideas. So guys, what you have to do, just watch this video till the end and you will get many beautiful and stunning ideas. And don't skip this video, because if you skip this video then you miss many beautiful and amazing ideas. Guys, you can see in this video all designs are very stylish, very attractive and beautiful. So hope you love all the designs, all the ideas. So those girls and women who love to make Arabic Mehndi and especially on front hand side, so guys, this is an amazing ideas for you. In this video you will see beautiful and different designs of Arabic Mehndi for front and side. So I hope this collection is very useful for you. Guys, इस वीडियो में आपके लिए अरेबिक मेहंदी डिज़ाइंस के डिफरेंट आइडियाज़ हैं, डिफरेंट डिज़ाइंस हैं, वो भी जस्ट फ्रंट हैंड साइड के लिए। तो ऐसी गर्ल्स और वुमेन जिनको फ्रंट हैंड पे मेहंदी लगाना बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद के लिए, उनके लिए ज़बरदस्त कलेक्शन है। आज की वीडियो में आपको जस्ट फ्रंट हैंड मेहंदी डिज़ाइंस के डिफरेंट आइडियाज़ मिलेंगे, वो भी अरेबिक मेहंदी के। तो उम्मीद है कि आपको तमाम डिज़ाइन, तमाम आइडियाज़ बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आएंगे। तो अगर आपको अरेबिक मेहंदी डिज़ाइंस की ये कलेक्शन अच्छी लगी है तो इस वीडियो को लाइक कर दें और कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताइएगा कि आपको ये कलेक्शन कैसी लगी, और साथ इस वीडियो को शेयर भी कर दें अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ, रिलेटिव्स के साथ और उन लोगों के साथ भी जिनको मेहंदी लगाना आती है लेकिन उनके पास आइडियाज़ नहीं होते। सो गाइस, प्लीज शेयर दिस ब्यूटीफुल आइडियाज़ विद दोज पीपल। You can see in this video all designs are very beautiful, very attractive. So if you have any knowledge about making mehndi, then you can make these types of beautiful mehndi on their hand themselves by getting many ideas, many designs from this video according to your choice also. So if you're loving all the beautiful and gorgeous ideas of Arabic mehndi, so please do also like my video and subscribe my channel, and also click bell icon. After clicking the bell icon you will get my new videos notification and you never miss any video or any collection on my channel. Guys, my main purpose is just to update you on your amazing and trendy ideas of mehndi design. So just tell me in comment section how you like my videos, and you can also suggest me what kind of mehndi designs, what kind of mehndi tutorials would you like to see on my channel, so that I can upload my next videos according to your choice and demand also. Because as I always say that your choice is very important for me. See you soon in next video. Till then, take care of you and your family a lot. Remember me in your precious prayers. And guys, I need your help, so please help me, support me for sharing my videos with your friends and relatives. And Allah Hafiz.